Hello and welcome to the basic MoSMB installation demo. Today we will install this MoSMB standalone build on CentOS 8 and also we'll see how to install on Ubuntu 18.04. So for today we have two different packages. For CentOS we get .rpm package and for Ubuntu we get .deb package. So let's see on CentOS first. So this is CentOS 8 version. We have MoSMB SA package, which is standalone MoSMB package. And to install the MoSMB on this machine, all we have to do is say rpm mivh and the package name. The MoSMB prompts for the failed dependencies. So after installing all these dependencies, we will be able to install the MoSMB package and use it. So to check the dependencies, first we have these dependencies which we can install directly without enabling any other libraries. So just install these. These are Python 2, GSS API packages, libverbs, RDMACM, RDMA utils, and Open LDAP clients. And we are installing 64-bit packages for all because this is our 64-bit version of CentOS machine. Once these are installed, we also have to install the jmalloc package and the hemdal libs package, which is also prompted at the time of installation for dependency error. Now these packages are present in the EPAL repository on the CentOS, so we'll first have to install this EPAL release and configure it, and then we can install the other dependent packages. So these are complete. Now we will install the EPAL repository. Now we can install the hemdal and jmalloc dependent packages. Once these dependencies are installed, we can again run the rpm install command. This time MoSMB gets installed. MoSMB is now installed. We'll get the message like this, and then we have to configure the licensing and share related settings. Then we can start MoSMB and start using this. This is for the CentOS process. All these are mentioned now. All the prerequisites are also mentioned in the online documentation, and we can install them as per our requirement and as per the MoSMB is prompting them to install. Now we have not installed Zookeeper and curl packages. These Zookeeper is required for the cluster build of MoSMB, and curl is required for the S3 based build of MoSMB. So currently we are installing standalone, so we did not need to install and configure these. Also, right now we have not installed the Kerberos related packages and domain join related packages, as we have just installed the dependent packages list of MoSMB. Now we'll check the similar for the Ubuntu machine. Now for Ubuntu we have 18.04 Ubuntu machine for the demo, and we have a package MoSMB standalone version for Ubuntu 18.04, which is for 64-bit. Now this is my Ubuntu 18.04 Bionic Beaver machine, and this is for, and we have a package named, yeah, we have a Ubuntu machine and we have a Ubuntu package on this. And to install MoSMB package on Ubuntu, we have to use command dpkg-install and the package name. Now, Ubuntu also prompts for the packages which are for pre-dependencies, and we can install the pre-dependencies one by one which are prompted. So for JEmalloc, we either require JEmalloc 1 or JEmalloc 2. Now for Ubuntu 18.04, libjmalloc 1 is available, and for Ubuntu 24 onwards, we have libjmalloc 2 available. So as this is Ubuntu 18.04, we have libjmalloc 1 available on Ubuntu 18.04. So we will install libjmalloc 1. Now if we go again to install the package, we will get prompted with the new dependency, which is libaio1. Now for Ubuntu, we get these dependencies one after another. So for now, we will just directly install all the known dependencies. So for Ubuntu 18.04, we required libjmalloc, libaio, ldap utils, SSS, JSS API package, libjson-dev, libibverbs, and librdmacm. All these dependencies are also mentioned on the MoSMB installation page for in the prerequisite section. Again, we have not installed the Kerberos related packages and domain join related packages for now. We will see them in the configuration for Kerberos. So after dependencies are installed, we can now install the MoSMB package, and it will not prompt for any errors, and we'll get a message that MoSMB is now installed. And again, we can configure the licensing and share related settings, and then we can just start the MoSMB as service with service MoSMB start command. So that's it for the installation part. We will see how to configure MoSMB for different authentication modes in the next lectures.